So here's some directions, here's some information about it, and we'll walk you through this really quickly. Typically, they have it here, FAA Form 8610-2. Pull it up here. This thing is kind of like way off format, so make sure you download it. But you'll see airframe and power plant here. You make sure you check those boxes. Make sure you put your current address. I know you guys move around a lot. First, middle, last. For all you Latinos who have like 1,000 names in one driver license identification, just put first, middle, last. You want to put all four, but make sure it's in that order. Put do not use for Social Security, and make sure that your birthday is correct. If you didn't go to school, you don't have to put that there. If you did it with experience, this is where you'll put it. And right here, you'll put your when you came in, started your military experience, when you ended, or if it's present, put U.S. Air Force, crew chief, like for example me, and locations that you've been to. You know, you can put 3 here if you want, and type of work you performed, like service aircraft, inspected, remove and replace, pack it in as much as you can here. Make sure you sign it and you date it, and then when you get it back, make sure that the inspector signs it and dates it and his office number. That's super important. Put that on there, and in the back of it, you put the information on your driver license. You just email it back to the inspector and you should be good to go. That's how you fill that out.